Hello, good morning. I'm Sonjay with another video. So, California, early in the morning. So, the today is my problem 2001 Toyota Camry early. So, I can open the door this side, the passenger side. So, whenever I want to open the door, I have to go this side, like this. I need to turn down the glass and open like that. So, because of I have a problem inside, I'm going to show you right here. This one. It's break somehow. Maybe have a inside the cable. Maybe it's broken cable, or maybe cable because of this one broken. So I'm gonna show you how to remove and everything. I think you can see very well. I'm gonna put the light right there so you can see very well, right? That part right there. So okay, hold on. I'm gonna show you other things. Can you turn around? So okay, I went to the get the correct part. So I think you can see very well. I'm going to put right there. So I went to the part shop with my title. So I'm going to give this VIN number to get the right part. So I went over there and I pick up my parts. Right part right here. So I'm going to replace it. So other cars, if you have a different car, so you have to take out whole thing right there and take out. Just like example 2015 Nissan Altima or Nissan Sentra, it's come like that. So and this is the old one 2001. So I think we don't want take out whole thing out. I think can you show it to them over here? This one right there. We have one clip, but I would take out the clip. So I think we have one screws right there. So I'm going to take out. Let's see we can do without removing this door postings. Yeah, can you show it to them? Go ahead. So they can see, right? Okay, I'm going to take out. I'm going to take out this one. Leave somewhere. Oh yeah, we do not take out anything. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna yeah, we have to take out whole parts. Clip like that. Okay, you don't have anything over here. Hold on. Oh, I need a more tool. I thought we do not take out these things, but I have to take out everything outside. So hold on. I'm gonna bring that other tool. I'm sorry, we don't have more space because my garage is very small. So we need that one. That is true. It's very old. Maybe it's gonna break whenever I take out. Don't break your parts, okay? This is very old. I have to replace new one. Be careful with your eye, okay? Use some glass or something. Oh, one more right there. Put it in one place, then you can see. one more right here. So you have to remove everything, check, so check all around, because they have so many screws, everything everywhere, nut and bolts inside. So grab everything. Okay, so let's see. Looks like we have one more over here. Can I get this one? Okay? USA, California. Early morning raining. Can't believe it, right? Tomorrow is a Christmas day. It's raining heavily. Oh, well, it's getting changed because of the COVID things, yeah. So, okay. You see, we check out everything. So, we're gonna take all them out right there like this, and we have one more. I think you can see it, so I'm gonna hold, then you can see maybe. Easy job, but don't break anything like upholstery like this. So check everywhere, all corners they have screws like this, maybe flat, maybe like that. So you have to take out everything. Maybe clips, you have to take out the clips. So it's all part. I'm gonna take out everything. So this one, grab like that. Think this lock break over here. You see something is break over here. So maybe we have to replace everything, but I'm gonna check it out which part is. If you can see, you can do like this, okay? So but put him back. Top one is right here, other one is goes over here. Let's see. Okay, it goes like this, you see? Easy peasy, so you don't have to worry about this shape too much. So, and we're gonna put in back our two nails right here. So other thing, make sure, yeah, I'm gonna do like this. Let's see. Before you did like this is the reverse, so if you start like clearly before, take out all the parts. Right now again you want to go backward, so easy, nothing. If I can do it, you can do it too. Easy things. These things putting back is a glue, so you can put it back whenever you take out. So I'm gonna see right there because I want to make sure it's going inside. So otherwise I have to take out and put it back. I have to go see through over here. So I'm gonna do like this. No, you can do it. I'm gonna teach you easy way. That's why I put the two screws right there. So you're gonna go like that. Take out all parts. Before you put it back, make sure it's working good, okay? Otherwise you have to remove everything again. So you're gonna go like this, okay? Easy, but don't break anything, okay? So you have to be careful. Okay, you good? Easy, right? You're gonna go put it back. Whenever you put it back, put right here everything. This has to be fixed. Okay? So you're gonna go put in back this one too. So it's a clip only. So this is the whole thing, okay? They don't have a clip, nothing. But whenever you fix right here, it should be both clips right there. You just go like this, it's gonna be automatic fit. This is the old one. So it's not properly. So go over here. Make sure you can see the. Can you come over here and see the holes? Yeah, you see right there? Good. 1 minute. Okay. So I take the time because of this is first time I do it, and I have to teach you right way. Good. Easy peasy. You don't have to go for the mechanic. You don't need a mechanic. So you can do it yourself. Yeah. So this one I just check. Okay. Right now we have one more screws inside. So we're gonna go. I want to make sure before I did is already working properly. So I'm gonna go. So everything good. Putting back like this, same way. It's to be the same hole like that. This one have one clip, but I don't have one clip. It's the old one I told you. So it's clip not working. This one right here. We're gonna go over here. Make sure you put in back everything to take out, okay? Can you give me the light, please? Let's see. This is, I don't have more space. I can see this one right there very well. But let's see. You got it? So, two more. This is easy to do that, okay? Not a big deal. Nothing. Almost done. So one more. That's all. See? You can do it yourself, even you girl or boy. Don't spend any money for this shit. So that's it. Good to go. Okay, my friends, good to go. All good. So less than, I can do it like 2-3 minutes, but I'm gonna show you one by one as a beginner. That's all. Subscribe my video, please. If you have more video like this, subscribe, please. So, and then leave a comment. So if you need problems, you need more information about cars, so let me know. So subscribe my video. So Sanjay, California. So see you again. Thank you. Bye.